What's up guys, very good morning from Malaysia. My name is Vinner Singh and today I'm going to eat durian ice cream. Durian is the fruit name which is mostly found in Malaysia, Singapore and Thailand, and there are almost 30 categories of durian. It's almost like a jackfruit but it's a durian. I am here in the Musang King ice cream and it's also near to my hostel, and they are famous for durian fruits. They have ice cream, candies, frozen durians, so you can find each and every category of durian. It seems like I am in a museum of durian because there are a lot of photos on a wall. They have an extra large knife if someone wants a small piece of durian. There is also option of a takeaway. And these are the durian juice. Wow. Now I am going to order the durian ice cream, and they store the durian in the refrigerator. Let's see how they make the ice cream. This is an awesomely beautiful durian. She's making the ice cream for me, and first she's adding the vanilla softie into the bowl, which is very important because durian is on the sour side. And now she's going to add the frozen durians into my bowl. And look at this awesomely beautiful bowl, the Malaysian flag on the top, which makes the ice cream more lovable. And she's adding more durians, that is cool. Very thank you ma'am for this artistic design. Let's have a bite of this ice cream. Even before that I never knew about the durian fruit, but now I understand the importance of durian in the Malaysia. It has a good source of carbohydrates, proteins, fiber, energy. It also has a vitamin B, C and E, so all in all this fruit play an important role. Let's try the first bite with the vanilla softie. Oh, it's very hard. And look at the seed, seed of the durian. Wow. Well, it's so powerful flavor but still very balanced because of vanilla softie. Now I want to try the whole durian, and it's fully covered with the softie. Well, it's so gummy in texture and it's almost a medicinal. This ice cream shop is very small, but each and everything is on the proper place. Well, I finished my first whole durian ice cream and it has a very big seed. It's almost like a stone. The total number of seeds are 3. That means 3 durians in a bowl with the softie, and I paid 19 ringgits for this. It's a bit costly, but I really enjoy this unique ice cream. Well, thank you for watching this video, and if you're watching this video on a YouTube, press the thumb button and subscribe to my channel for more videos and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first on my next video. God bless you and your family.